Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Kids, they just love bubbles. Let's make a colorful snake bubbles together. We need food coloring over here, scissor, empty bottle, rubber band, a sock, plates, soap, and some water. Drop some soap over the colors on each cup. Now let's cut the bottle from the bottom. I tried the scissor, but it's not working very well. So I tried the knife and it's easier. Now cover the bottom of the bottle with the sock like that. And you can make it more tight with a rubber band. Pour the mixture, the red color, on the plate, dip your bottle, and blow. And wow, this is really amazing. Look how much bubbles we have. Even more, whenever you blow more, you will have more bubbles. Just like a snake. Let's do it one more time. Blow more, and you will have more bubbles. Now pour the yellow mixture and dip your bottle, then blow. You will have yellow bubbles too. Blow, 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 blow. Even more blows. Very nice bubbles. She's enjoying her time so much. She keeps dipping her hands, blowing. She just loves it. And the last one is the blue color. Dip it on the blue color and start to blow. And here we are. We have a very nice blue bubbles. Wow, did you see that? A very nice snake bubbles. Look at that. It's just like a snake. She's enjoying her time so much. She keeps dipping her hands, blowing. She just want to keep playing. It's really entertaining. And that was a big miss. But the most important thing, she enjoyed her time so much.